Welcome guys. In this video we will do an example related to F test. This particular example that I have written was asked in your GTU Winter 2019 examination. It was question number 5B of 4 marks. So the question says two independent samples of 8 and 7 items respectively had the following values of the variable. Now in the table we are given two rows, sample 1 and sample 2. Sample 1 has total 8 items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, whereas sample 2 has 7 items. Now we have to determine, so the question is asked that do population variance differ significantly? So we have to determine whether the population variance differ significantly or not. And to answer this question, we are also given that for degrees of freedom 7 and 6, the value of F at 5% level of significance is 4.20 approximately. Now to answer this question, we will first write sample size of both the samples. So number of items in sample 1 is 8, that is given in the question, and number of items in sample 2 is 7, total 7 items. Now after that we will calculate standard deviation of sample 1, and then we will calculate standard deviation of sample 2. Now as this example is asked for only 4 marks, we will not calculate this standard deviation of samples using hand calculation. We will use our calculator, and I have already calculated these two values using my calculator. Now if you guys don't know how to calculate these values using calculator, I have made a separate video, and the link of this video you can find in the description below. So standard deviation for sample 1 is 2.05 and for sample 2 is 1.84. Now after finding standard deviation of samples, we will calculate variance of population. So it is denoted as, let us write variance of population. So for population 1, that is sample 1, variance of population, now you have to remember this equation. S1 square is equal to N1 times square of the standard deviation, that is sample variance of sample 1, and N1 minus 1. Similarly, population variance for sample 2 is N2 into S2 square N2 minus 1. Now you have to just put values of N1 and S1 in this equation. Now if you put these values, you will get S1 square as 4.80 and S2 square as 3.95. Now after determining these values, let me erase the question. Now after determining these two values, we will calculate F value. F is ratio of S1 square, that is variance of population variance of sample 1, divided by population variance of sample 2, S2 square. So it is 4.8 divided by 3.95. So it will be approximately 1.22. Now after you calculate value of F, you have to write 4 rules, and these 4 rules are applicable for each and every exam. You have to just copy this in your answer sheet. So first rule is null hypothesis, that is H0. Null hypothesis. It says that variance of two samples are equal, but in our case variance are not equal. So that is variance of two population are equal. Variance of two population now in this case this is not, in our case this is not true. So we'll move to rule number 2, that is alternative hypothesis. We'll denote it by H1. It says that first variance is greater than second variance. Rule number 3 is level of significance. Now level of significance is given in our question. It is 5%, so it is 0.05. Now if this value is not given in your question, then you have to assume that alpha is 0.05. You have to assume if not given in the question. Now after rule number 3, we will write rule number 4 as critical values, that is degrees of freedoms. Critical values are V1 and V2. V1 is N1 minus 1 and V2 is N2 minus 1. So in our sample 1, total number of items were 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. And in sample 2, total items were 7. So it is 6. Now in the question it was given that at degrees of freedom 7, 6, T 0.05. It means 5% of significance. F 0.05 is, it was given in the question that it was 4 point, let me see, it is 4.2. Now the value of F that we have calculated is less than this value 4.2 that was given in the question. So we will write our final rule as, so our fifth rule, that is our final rule, since F is less than F 0.05, this is 4.2 and this is 1.22, so F is less than F 0.05, the hypothesis is accepted at level of, the hypothesis is accepted at 0.05 level of significance. And therefore there is no significant difference in the variance of two population. Therefore no significant difference in variance of the population. So this is our answer of our question.